BKHD N5105 NAS MB Disable Automatic Start. You can find the option to turn it off in the power management configuration of the BIOS. If that doesn't work, then you need to set it through the jumper on the motherboard. You can find jumper pins next to the network controller. The default jumper is set on pin 1 to 2. We need it to be set at 2 to 3. The jumper can be pulled out and connected. After setting it up, we reconnected the power to test. Disable auto start successfully. We are now shorting for a power on test. Done successfully. You can visit our page for more information about our products.